106 AB. Happy holidays. Yeah. Looking to read, right? Yes or no? Okay, this one is easy peasy. Easy peasy, this is Jiandan de buka zai jiandan. This is a hat. Yes. That was easy. These are socks. What do you think? These are not socks unless your foot is like this. What if your foot looked like this? Just two really long toes. Then that would be a good sock for you. No. Nope. Okay, 上下的你自己做，暂停视频自己做. Stop the video, do it yourself, do the rest, and then here are the answers. These are shoes, Y-E-S. This is a skirt, N-O. This is not a skirt. This is a shirt, S-H-I-R-T. 差不多, almost. This is a jacket, yes. These are glasses. Yes. Yes or no? I don't know. These are sunglasses. Sunglasses are glasses. So, yes and no. These are jeans. No, these are not jeans. These are boots. This is a t-shirt. Y-E-S. What sound is this? J, j, j. What sound is this? J, 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 j. Let's listen.
2. Listen and point to the letter. J,
J,
j.
j.
1. Jeans.
Jeans.
2. Hand.
Hand.
3. Hat. 4. Juice. 5. Horse. 6. Jacket. 7. Hippo.
Okay. If you need to, you can listen again. Now, let's do the answers. Hand. Hand. Hat. Hat. Juice. Juice. Horse. Horse. Jacket. Jacket. Hippo. Hippo. Sweet. The friendly farm, diddle diddle dee dee dee, hey. Listen, read, and correct. Listen, read, correct. 我们听，我们读，我们修改。
1. Listen, read, and correct. 1.
I've got 4 oranges here. Nice. Do you like the green hat or the red one?
Shelley, that's Grandpa's new hat.
Shelly, that's Grandpa's new shirt? No. Shelly, that's Grandpa's new hat. Okay, so这些都有一个错误，你修改。Are you ready? Let's do it.
2,
Let's go and play in the barn.
It's Jim and Jenny.
Okay, let's go and eat in the barn. Should become let's go and play in the barn. They said let's go and play in the barn. All right, 剩下的你自己做。
3,
Gracie, eat your oranges.
No!
Okay. Shelley, come here and pick up these clothes, please.
4,
Now clean the table, Gracie. It's dirty. And clean your face, please.
5,
Harry! Put that hat on the table now. Rocky, take those pencils and put them in the bag.
Okay, Mom.
6,
Look at the barn. It's nice and clean. Look, Grandpa's hat's there. On the table? In the barn?
Okay. Get it? Let's do it again.
Shelley, that's Grandpa's new hat.
Hat.
2,
Let's go and play in the barn.
It's Jim and Jenny.
3,
Gracie, eat your oranges.
No!
Okay. Shelley, come here and pick up these clothes, please.
Come here and pick up these clothes, please. What are these? These are clothes. They are not toys. Clothes. Ifu.
Four.
Now clean the table, Gracie. It's dirty. And
Now clean the table, Gracie. It's dirty. Not clean the mirror. Clean the table. It's dirty. 洗这个 table 是很脏的。
clean your face, please.
Five.
Harry! Put that hat on the table now. Rocky, those pencils and put them in the bag.
Take those pencils and put them in the bag. There's no box, there's only a bag. B-A-G.
Okay, Mom.
6.
Look at the barn. It's nice and clean. Look, Grandpa's hat's there. On the table? In the barn?
Grandpa's hat's there. On the table. In the barn. Ooh. All right. Let's see. Okay, 小作业 time. Time for your 小作业. Take a video of you picking things up and cleaning something and taking something and putting something and coming something. 拍一个视频，视频里你自己就是 pick up 东西 clean 东西 take 东西 put 东西 come 东西，一边拍视频一边用英语表达你正在做什么。比如说我会拍我自己 pick up my toys， 我捡起来我的玩具的时候我会说 Hi AJ, I am picking up my toys. I like to pick up my toys. 然后 clean, I clean the table. Take, I take the pencil and put it in the box. 我拿 take 意思是拿，我拿这个 pencil， 然后我把它放在 box 里面，我 put 它在 box 里面。And come 你就可以 come somewhere。比如说，你可以叫你的家里的别人说 Come here, Mom, come here 。拍一个视频，这是你的小作业。Next page. Look, read, and write the number. Look, read, 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 write the number. Diddly, diddly, doo, doo. Okay. The numbers are here. Anna, pick up that jacket, please. Okay, Anna, 把 jacket 捡起来, please. It's probably this one. That's why they wrote a 1 here. Boink. Stop the video. Do it. Come back. When you're ready, I'll help you. Okay. Ready? 2. Put the ball in that cupboard there, please. Put. What is put? Fang. Put the ball. Do you see a ball? Ball. I see a ball. Put the ball in that cupboard. 放这个 ball 在那个柜子那边。请问，我请你把 ball 放在那个柜子。I see a cupboard. I see a ball. I think that's number 2. 2. 3. Take this book to the bookcase, please. Take. Take means 拿或者带。带这个书到 bookcase, please. Do you see any books? See a book. Take this book to the bookcase. 把这个 book 带去 bookcase 那边，然后把它放回去。Number 3. 4. Pick up those trousers, please. What are trousers? Trousers are pants. 裤子。Look at this guy. Pick up those trousers, please. 拿起来这些 trousers. 捡起来这些 trousers. Pick up the trousers, kid. And 5. Put these bananas on that table there, please. 放这些 bananas 在那个桌子那边, please. Banunas. Okay, children, clean these desks, please. Howdy, Heidemann. Ba jisje desks si ganzing. Jisje shujo si ganzing ba. 6. There we go. Easy as that. We're already done. Next, we write the words. Boots, read, sunglasses, trousers. This should be easy. If you remember, boots are like big shoes. Read is to read a book. Sunglasses are sun glasses, like this, like sun. Ah, the glasses have suns on them. Ah. Just kidding. And trousers are pants. Let's read these books. Okay, I like to read. Stop it. Do it. Come back. Ready? Are these your sunglasses? Clean those boots. And those aren't your trousers. What does that mean? Aren't means are not. Those are not your trousers. Tom and Busha needed trousers. Those are Daddy's big trousers. Or maybe they are his trousers and he's just got really huge legs. What if it's like this? Like, he's just like, I've got big legs. Those are your trousers. Okay, well, I think that's it for today. Pretty short class, if I do say so myself. Let's call it a day. I will see you in the next one. Bye.